What if your database was fully set up for you the moment you create your app? With CloudRaptor, every application comes with a powerful MariaDB database, automatically configured and ready to use. MariaDB is a high-performance, open-source relational database that's fully compatible with MySQL. It's optimized for WordPress and PHP applications, making it a reliable choice for modern web projects. When you create a new application, CloudRaptor handles everything behind the scenes. It generates a unique database name, creates a secure user, assigns a strong password, and links everything directly to your application container. To view your database details, go to Applications, select your app, and open the Database tab. Here you can see your database name and username. If you want a visual interface, simply start PHP from the Database tab. Use the temporary secure link to access your database, and don't forget to stop it when you're done. Your application connects to MariaDB automatically using secure internal configuration, so there's no need for manual setup or complex credentials handling. Each application gets its own isolated database, ensuring better security and stability. This means your data stays protected and separated from other applications on the same server. And that's how CloudRaptor makes database management simple, secure, and completely automatic.